Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure you are on Java Edition and the world uses the correct chunk/gamma rule behavior. Next, load the chunks where the farm will reside and stand close enough so villagers stay active. Place a flat 20x20 platform and clear water flow paths. Spawn or move in the 2-3 villagers, secure a zombie with a name tag or boat for constant threat, and keep stacks of building blocks and slabs ready. This gets you into the actionable build immediately, so you can begin fixing the farm. Once the base is ready, inspect the villager mechanics. Ensure each villager has a valid bed and job site within 2 to 3 blocks, because invalid schedules stop gossip and golem spawning. Make sure the zombie can see villagers through transparent blocks so it stays perpetually angry. If not, reposition or raise the zombie to remove occlusion. Then rework the golem spawn areas, keep 3x3 clear floors, eliminate half blocks that block spawning, and confirm water currents, funnel golems into the kill chamber for reliable collection. To finish, run a controlled test for 10 minutes while you observe villager work cycles and golem spawn timing. Count iron ingots and iron golems to measure throughput. If spawn rates are low, move villagers or the zombie by 1 to 2 blocks and retest, because small offsets change line of sight and gossip. Finally, seal any extra spawnable areas and use slabs to block babies, then force a chunk reload or check tick rate. If something still fails, reload chunks to restore AI behaviors. This often resolves stubborn spawn bugs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.